Well, now really, when we go back then to falling in love and say it's crazy, falling. We don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall. Taking this ghastly risk is the condition of there being life. You've given yourself up. This is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person.
You tried to hold me down, so I became a soldier, built up all these walls, and now I'm climbing over those nasty bees are tempting me. Oh Lord, but I ain't going back. You take me for a fool, it doesn't make me foolish. Told me I was wrong, passion made you ruthless, manipulate. It's just too late. Oh Lord, but I ain't going back no more. Fueling up the flames, gonna show you what I made of. Weight off on my shoulders, built up on my strength. I'm finally taking over. Complicate, I don't appreciate. Oh Lord, but I ain't going back no more. Fueling up the flames, gonna show